Yo, what's up? This is the author of One Smart Forex. Gradually, we are coming to the end of the class. So, and I hope you are getting one or two things from it. So, just on the aspect of multi-time frame analysis. So that is what we're going to be doing right now. We'll be analyzing CHF JPY. As you know, that multi-time frame analysis actually involves you starting your analysis from higher time frame and going to lower time frame. You understand? It means that you seeing from the bigger picture to the smaller picture, like you starting from a monthly time frame or a weekly time frame, depending on the kind of trader you are. Okay, you understand? Like you knowing the general bias, you knowing where market is actually heading to on the long run. So right now, my time frame is actually on 2 hours, as you can see. So I'll move it to monthly time frame and let's see the bigger picture of what is actually happening in the forex market. So when you look at this, right from 2012, as you can see, August 1, market has started giving us what? Market has started giving us an upward move. So as this your swing low, we actually indicate what? An high low. Why this we indicate what? An high high. This swing high, we indicate an high high. Why this swing low? We indicate what? An high low. Meaning that we are expecting the market to give us what? We are expecting the market to give us a new high. But right from 2000 2016, December 1st, 2016, you can see the way market has actually been moving sluggishly, meaning that market has actually been ranging. Okay, you understand? So now, when you look at it very well, like I told you, you need to actually draw out your key levels. So when you look at this, you can see something like a resistance here. So you take your horizontal line or horizontal ray, you draw it out. So now, as you can see, we have a resistance here that has made like 3 to 4 touches. You understand? Based on monthly time frame. So the next thing is that you go on a weekly time frame and see um, what is currently happening on the weekly time frame. So let's see what is happening on the weekly time frame. So from the weekly perspective, you can see right here from 2018, September 2018, market gave us what? A counter trend, which is a downward move. Can you see? Meaning that partially this actually formed what? A downward trend on this weekly time frame. But when you look at it very well, market has actually broken the trend line. If you look at it very well, can you see that market has actually broken the trend line? Then after breaking it, based on what I taught you, after breaking the trend line, see what happened? It came back to do what? To retest it. See what happened here? Came back to retest, then continued going up, forming series of what? Higher highs and higher lows. So now we could say that okay, on based on weekly time frame, we're on an upward trend because this downward trend has actually been broken and been retested. So we could say that okay, uh from this schematics, we're on an upward trend, right? We're on an upward trend. So let me remove all these things and let's spot out some swing guys and swing lows. So can you see? This is our what? This is our high low. Why this is our high high? This is actually our high low. Yeah, high high, swing high. Then Can you see market kind of form a bit of resistance here? Okay, resistance here, right? Now, if you look at this resistance, if you look at this resistance, if you look at this resistance, if you look at this resistance here, can you see market has actually made series of touches here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then market did what? Market broke it. Then market finally what? Pulled back into this zone to retest it. Right? So now look at it again. So look at it again. The market came back for another retest on this same resistance. So making this resistance a very strong level. Hey, you understand? Um so now this is daily time frame. Remember that we are actually scaling through the time frame to actually see a better position for us to trade. Remember that. So now look at it now. On this on this on this what's it called? On this level here, which is acting as resistance. Can you see the green market actually respected it on a daily time frame? We have one, we have two, we have three, we have four. Then market finally break it, then came back for a retest. Can you see the retest here? Let me change the color. Can you see the way market came down to retest it? Then after the retest, see what happened? Market pulled up to make this what? To make this resistance. So you can also take your tools and draw out this resistance because it is also a key level or a significant level with which you can actually target in future. So that is the reason why you need to draw it out. The reason why you need to get it out because just in case you want to know your target, so that could serve as target for you. So draw it out. These are also some significant levels with which you can draw because market can actually target them in the future. You understand? So you can draw them out like okay, if you are going to be buying from this resistance now, meaning your first target based on daily time frame will be this, will be this. Your second target will be this. Your third target will be this, and so on. You understand? So that is the reason for actually drawing out those key levels. That is the reason why you need to draw them out. So now we can deduct. Okay, let's see if we can actually deduct something again from this our what's it called, our daily time frame. You can see high low here, high low, then swing high, then high low. Then we are expecting market to give us what? To give us another high because this is the last swing high. Can you understand? If market should break this high low, it is telling us automatically that there's a shift in structure already. But so far market has not breaking this swing low, it automatically means that we are still on an upward trend. All we have to do is just to do what? to look for opportunity to what? Opportunity to buy. Opportunity to buy up this market till we get another what? Another high. So looking at it for the past few days now, market has been bullish. So let's count the candlesticks. One, two, three, four, five, six. So like for like 6 days now, the movement has not been really much. Meaning that when compared to when you look at these bullish candles, when you look at these bullish candles, the buyer's candle, uh buyer's candle, the buyer's candle, when you look at the momentum, can you see like we have larger amount of buyers right now compared to the sellers. Look at the sellers candle, like low momentum, like you don't really have much, we don't really have much sell. We don't really have much sell compared to the buy side. You understand? So all we have to do now is just to look for all we have to do is just to look for um a buy opportunity. You understand? All we have to do is just look for a buy opportunity. So let's go to the 4 hour if we can actually deduct something from the 4 hour too. So now looking at the 4 hour, looking at the 4 hour, we can't really see something much on the 4 hour, but we can actually see a trend line. We can actually deduct a trend line from this. Can actually get a trend line like that. Um, remember how I taught you to draw a trend lines must not cross the market like this. This is crossing the market already. So meaning that you just have to adjust the trend line towards the downside like this. So now on this trend line, we've gotten one, two, three. We've gotten like three touches, right? So meaning that if this market now should dip down into this, we expect it, if this market now, like as it is now, if it should dip into this zone, like if it should dip into this this place like this, we expect it to respect, we expect it rather to respect this trend line and actually do what? And actually go to to the next target of our take profits. You understand? So as it is now, you know the kind of candlesticks you need to actually look out for on a support, because basically this is a support. You understand? You know the kind of candlesticks you need to look out for on a support level to actually do what? To actually to actually buy from. So to actually buy from, you understand? So actually buy from. Mm, So actually quite for some time now, CHFJPY has been ranging, it has been consolidating. So for some time now, CHFJPY has been ranging, it has been consolidating. So you know the kind of candlestick you need to actually look out for. You need to actually look out for candlestick like this, which is the bullish pin bar. Can you see it? Bullish pin bar. You can see this candlestick, meaning that if you want to take buy based on this candlestick and the 4 hour time frame, what you have to do is just what take your long position, then you start from the close of the candle, then you take your stop loss a little bit below the candle, below the wick of the candle, below the wick of the candle. So can you see below the wick of the candle? That's 18 pips. Then you take profits to the next resistance level. So based on 4 hour time frame, this is also a level, a resistance level. Can you see? Because it is a turning point for market. This is also a resistance level. Yeah, it's also a resistance level. So that's how to get your resistance level. Meaning your first take profit will be this resistance level because it is a turning point for the market. It is a turning point for the market. So the second TP will be here. That's like you'll be in roughly you take profit of 161 pips for your um second take profit. So can you see now like after the formation of this bullish pin bar, if you've read the book, you will understand. Can you see the market is already buying. You understand? Um so let's go on 3 hour and see what is actually happening on 3 hours. So on 3 hours too, so this candle that looks like a bullish pin bar on that looks like pin bar on 4 hour, looks like doji on a 3 hour candlestick. So now you know what a doji actually stands for, right? You can actually get the trend line here as well, but we'll just be making just two touches. You understand? Just two touches. It is not a valid trend line yet until market actually comes back there and respects it the third time, but it is actually a trend line, but not yet valid. You understand? So let's go on 2 hour and let's see what is actually happening on a 2 hour candlestick. So now on a 2 hour candlestick, see the formation of a, a bullish pin bar. Can you see this bullish pin bar? I told you when I was explaining that color does not matter. You understand? So far, the body, sorry, the wick, I mean, the what's it called? The wick is actually very longer than the body. There's a pin bar. You don't need color. So and we are on a support level. So whenever you spot it on a support, it is actually telling you to buy. You know the kind of candlestick you need to see or spot at your support um level. At the support level. So meaning that our buy is still on point, right? So when you look at this is a doji. So you know there are candlesticks that you need to see on the support level that will actually enhance you to buy. Among them is the morning star, right? Morning star. When you see a morning star on your support, morning star. So let's go on 1 hour time frame if we actually can see anything on the one. So on a 1 hour time frame, there is nothing basically that could allow us to actually buy that we could that could make us actually buy. But you know, anything you spot on higher time frame like 4 hours, daily 3 hours, is actually very, very genuine compared to what you see on a lower time frame. So you understand compared to what you see on a lower time frame. So it is actually a very best for you to always capitalize whatever you see on higher time frame. So uh, so that is what is there basically. Uh, so let's say what we've got on 30 minutes. So on 30 minutes, um this is actually a morning star. This is a morning star on 30 minutes. Can you see? If you've read the Candle Bible study that I shared with you, you will understand that this is actually a morning star. You understand? So which is also supporting our buy of this CHFGTY, right? So um so actually CHFGTY is gonna buy, and this is actually a live pass. So CHFGTY is gonna buy, and you can just make your stop loss a little bit below this candle. Can you see that we've reduced our stop loss gradually because we are able to scale into lower time frame. So meaning we are having a stop loss of like let's see, having stop loss of what is this? Having stop loss of 12 pips. So this is actually the end of the session of this. We are hoping to buy CHFGPY, and let's see what's gonna happen. So can you see? So we expect them to break this trend line, give us a retest. If you've not taken your buy here, give us a retest, then we can take our buy to the next level. And for you to be on the safer side, you can wait for break of structure before you actually buy. So here is what I mean by break of structure. Can you see that this is the nearest swing line because we have what, an high low, sorry, an high here, an high low. Then if market could break this our lower high, if market should break it like this, so we can actually take our buy upon the retest, and then we can now buy it to the nearest resistance wherever we want to buy it. So you understand? So we can wait for the break of this structure before we actually buy say JPY. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Then this will be the end of this session.